My name is Matt Kregel, golf course superintendent with the club at Strawberry Creek, Kenosha, Wisconsin. The golf course construction started in 2004, 2005, but prior to that, this was actually Thompson's Strawberry Farm, which back in its day was, I believe, 150 acres of self-pick, you-pick strawberries. So the owners wanted to continue with the name, hence the club at Strawberry Creek. They enlisted Rick Jacobson to become the golf course architect. He came at the recommendation of Jack Nicklaus. They did a little bit of seeding in the fall of 2004, so I came in the spring of 2005. So the seed choices were already picked out. I'm happy overall with the choices that they made. Here at Strawberry Creek, we're 100% A1. The greens have been very successful from a maintenance and a conditioning standpoint. We're 17 years in, 18 years in almost. We have very, very minimal POA that's crept in. Tees were initially seeded with Pencross. Fairways were seeded with Seaside 2. Didn't know much about the grass. I had to learn a lot about the grass. I fell in love with it after I figured out how to maintain it and just incorporated that with part of my divot program on tees. The Seaside 2 as a fairway grass is phenomenal. I was so pleased and so happy with it that instead of complicating things, we just incorporated that as part of our divot program. So we're mixing up one seed mix. We're using it on our tees as our divot program. We're using it in our fairways as our divot program. So as a turf goes, it's just really tight, really dense. The ball sits up on it. It wants to be treated aggressively though. So, you know, some verticutting, some top dressing, it's all good things for this. As far as mowing practices go on the golf course or routines, we're basically daily on greens. Tees, fairways, approaches, we're basically on twice a week for mowing schedule. I keep things on the lean side here. We're not over fertilizing. The grass performs so well at that lower fertility level. As you look around the golf course, we're a link style golf course. I like that hungry green look. We don't have any trees to fight with out here, so that makes a difference. We have strong air movement. Overall, I have a great growing environment for bent grass, for turf in general. We've been fortunate since I've been here since construction. It's my baby, it's my child. I've been able to maintain and condition according to the plans and the programs that I see and that I want. So we've been very successful with those programs, and we continue to have great reviews and great feedback from membership and guests.